Hello, friends. It is Friday morning, and it is your friend in flowers, Lisa Mason Ziegler. And is anybody else growing this? Is this the coolest thing you've ever seen? This, and it's thorns, is what I'm talking about this morning or this afternoon on the live show at 12 noon inside the app. So if you don't have our phone app, totally free, y'all. There's so many more features when you're inside the app versus watching us on social media. So you can find us on your phone's app store, Gardener's Workshop. Just download it. Grab your lunch, get a beverage. See you at 12 noon. And I'm going through the beautiful harvest, and I'm talking today not only about all the soil blocking tools. You know, there's 4 different soil blocking sizes, and I'm going to demonstrate them, and I'm going to be talking about why I use which one for. That whole analogy, right? Plus, I'm showing the harvest. And I'm really highlighting today some of this great stuff that you would only grow for fall because it'll be in high demand. So I hope to see you inside in the app. So here's the deal. You got to download the app. I do a giveaway. When you're in the app, you can enter for the giveaway. I'm usually giving away a $25 store credit. You can see the harvest. I'm going to do some demos, and I hope to see you there. So, or you can actually comment app right here, APP, and I'll DM you the link if you can't find it in your app store for some reason. So friends, grab your lunch and join me. But if you can't make it, you can watch all the replays inside the app. And we have some really special stuff going on today. And this, and it's thorns, is one of them. So see you at 12 noon Eastern time inside the app. Ciao, friends.